Hello traders, today I'm going to show you a simple scalping strategy that you will implement and you start to see the progress in your trading career. So let us dive into the strategy of today. You can backtest this in any kind of the pair because it works in any assets. So just come diving into H1. You have to identify the trend of the H1. We always have two trends where we implement this strategy. So our strategy is going to be moving like this as well. So this is what we want to see in H1. We want to see that the market is making the lower lows and lower highs, or it's making the high highs and the higher lows. That is what we want to do. So the next step, what we have to do, we have to get our trend line. So the trend line, we connect this first low and second low after identifying the trend, so that we can get what we can get a trend channel, what we call a trend channel. So this trend channel is going to be guiding us to be not trading against the trend, by which means we will be trading only on this trending H1 channel. That will be only enough for us to be implementing this strategy, guys. So if we can come here very well, if you see that our market now is doing what is making the high highs and higher lows, you can see that market is making the high highs and higher lows. So it's this one, it gives us what an uptrend. Volatility 25 index is what we are using now to implement this strategy. So what we have to do, you get you trend lines, guys, and we don't need to start from these ends. We have to start exactly like this low here and this here. They are going to be enough for us. So we just put here, and like that we extend in future like that. You can just also add here like that way, and we clone this, we put it to the downside. So this is our uptrend. We can see that the market is going up. So what we have to do, we go to low time frame, and that low time frame is going to be our minute 5. So when we come in minute 5 in this training channel, we have to wait the market in minute 5 so that it can align on the same direction of what of this higher time frame in H1. So by which means we have to wait around this side, so the market starts making the lower lows and lower highs to come this side. So it's when we get this. So we will wait the market to break, come back and make a retest, and then we execute around here, and then we ride the market up as we are looking forward for the buys opportunity, guys. So that is what we have to be looking in market. Are you getting the point? So if you can see here, we have to wait here, the market comes back to this side to make another touch at around the area, is when we execute and we bring the market upwards. Are you getting the point? So it's when we are waiting that. So if we can come backwards, and you can see that here around this area market, it did what we wanted. So the market has to create the lower lows and the lower highs in this low time frame, is when we do what is what we want. Are you getting the point? So if you can see clearly here that the market did this lower lows and lower highs, which given us a good setup, we get our trend line, we connect this high, and we connect this also lower high like that, and then we extend our trend line in the future like that way. So you can see that the market at around this area, it came very well and breaks around this area here, our trend line, and come back to make a retest. We executed. Are you getting the point? We executed. After executing, and then we rate the market up. So that's what we have to be always following. Now it's the time to identify where the market will be coming back to bounce. Are you getting the point? So after the market breaks our trend line, we have to wait it breaks the previous lower high. So this one, you can see at around this area that the market breaks our trend line. We have to wait also this structure here to be taken out. Are you getting the point? Before we execute. So if this market does not break out this, because there is some way the market can come. You can see very well here, after breaking came and reached this area, started coming back. We have to wait it be broken, and then the market will make a pullback towards to retest the trend line, or to retest this area here, so that we can get the opportunity to ride the market upward. This is our eye here, what was taken out, and here we have our low. Are you getting the point? So after this high get taken out, we have to wait to see that the market have come back at around this area. So what we have to do here, we can use our Fibonacci. We can use our Fibonacci to calculate the specific areas of retracement. If we have not used the Fibonacci tool, what we have to do, we have to identify by using the counter trend. What we have to do, we come around this area which you see that it's making the pullbacks. We do like this from the high to the down. Are you getting the point? Like that. Also, we implement as the same way how we have fasted to do. We wait the market to break our confirmation counter trend, which is this one here. This is our confirmation counter trend. So if after that market breaks our counter trend, what we have to do, we wait the M5 to close above is when we execute. After exactly minute 5 to close above like that is when we do what? We take the market. We have to put a stop loss. We put stop loss below around this low here is when we take stop loss some pips little bit below, and then we target 1 to 2. If you can see that the market as well, it rided up to where you can see. So if we target here 1 to 2, you can see it around this area, that is 1 to 2, and then we were good to go. So if you have got value from this video, go on and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming tips and tricks for trading volatility indices. And for those who have been asking about the currency pairs, we have got you covered, guys. Make sure to stay tuned so that we are going to be dropping the currencies analysis, GU, gold, US30, Bitcoin. We are going to be dropping them, and we are going to be giving you all strategies that we be fitting to your trading styles, guys. Much love. See you to the next episode. Peace.